You might have heard of Inbox Zero. You might even have watched my video on it. The idea of getting rid of all of your emails every day. But have you ever considered doing the same thing for your WhatsApp? WhatsApp Zero essentially means treating your WhatsApp inbox like your email inbox. So the only messages you would see in there are the unread ones. And once you've responded to everyone, your WhatsApp inbox would be completely clear.
The first step in this process is to go to Settings and make sure that Keep Chats Archived is turned off. If Keep Chats Archived is on, then any new messages you get will stay in the archive and you won't see them in the inbox. You can then go back into your chats, and to archive an individual message, simply swipe across with your finger until you see Archive, let go, and it will automatically archive. Don't worry, it's not disappearing, it's just going into the archive, and I'll show you how you can find that again later. You can also archive all of your chats in one go. To do that, go to Settings, and then at the bottom here it says Archive All Chats. So if I do that, Archive All Chats, go back into chats, you'll see that the inbox is now empty. If you ever want to find any of your archived messages again, simply pull down on the screen until you see Archived, and you will find all of your messages still there. If you get any new messages, they will now appear in your clean inbox, and you'll see that that's now unread messages only. If you ever want to unarchive a message, go back into your archived messages and swipe left until you see unarchive. They then appear back in your inbox.
This video covers iPhone. If you've got an Android phone, the process is similar, but instead of swiping, you hold press on messages in order to archive them. If you've enjoyed that video on WhatsApp Zero, then you might want to check out my Inbox Zero video here. Until next time, love you, bye.